Falun, Sweden, is truly a hidden gem with so much to offer. The town sits in the heart of the Dalarna region, known for its lush green landscapes and cultural traditions. The beauty of Falun extends beyond just its visual appeal. It's in the harmony between its natural surroundings, historical significance, and traditional architecture. The weather of Falun brings out its unique charm throughout the year. In spring, the town comes to life as wildflowers bloom, and the air becomes crisp and fresh. The long summer days are perfect for exploring, with nearly 18 hours of daylight, thanks to Sweden's northern latitude. The summer sun gently warms the town, making the nearby forests and lakes inviting for hiking, swimming, and camping. Fall brings cool, misty mornings and trees bursting with vivid reds, oranges, and yellows, creating a breathtaking canvas. The winters, though cold and snowy, transform the area into a magical scene. The soft, powdery snow blankets the town, turning Falun into a perfect destination for skiing and cozy winter getaways. Falun is nestled in a natural landscape that feels untouched and pristine. The surrounding pine and birch forests provide not only a beautiful backdrop but are also home to a variety of wildlife. You might spot deer, moose, or even the occasional fox while walking through the woods. Nearby, Lake Run offers a tranquil escape. In the summer, the lake is perfect for water activities like sailing or canoeing, while in winter, it freezes over and becomes a popular spot for ice skating, with miles of natural ice tracks. The Falun River runs through the town like a gentle ribbon of water, reflecting the sky and trees along its banks. Its presence has shaped much of Falun's development over the centuries, providing both a serene natural feature and an essential water source for the famous mining operations that made the town prosperous. Walking along the river, you'll find peaceful paths perfect for a quiet stroll, with the sound of water adding to the town's tranquility. Falun's buildings are an architectural blend of history and tradition. The town's most famous landmark is the Falun Mine, also known as the Great Copper Mountain. This mine was once the largest in the world and played a crucial role in Sweden's rise as a European power during the 17th century. Now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the mine is an incredible piece of industrial history. The old wooden cottages painted in the deep red color, known as Falun Rådfarg, are a symbol of the town's rich mining heritage. These cottages, often framed by lush greenery or snow, offer a picturesque and traditional Scandinavian atmosphere. Additionally, the Stora Kopparberg Church, dating back to the 1400s, is one of Sweden's oldest brick buildings and adds to the historic charm of Falun. Its Gothic architecture stands in contrast to the more rustic wooden structures, creating a diverse architectural landscape in the heart of town. Falun's charm is deeply connected to the balance between its historical roots, its rich cultural heritage, and the pristine beauty of the Swedish landscape. Whether you're drawn to its serene lakes, lush forests, or the captivating history of its mine, Falun offers a sense of timeless beauty that is both peaceful and inspiring.